Let me welcome you to one of Europe's most rapidly developing shopping communities. Getting money back after most of your purchases in this economic era seems to be out of the question. For the dealers, on the other hand, the most important thing is that you spend your money on their products. This is Lyoness. At the moment, you can buy your everyday needs through Lyoness in more than 12 European countries. In the near future, Lyoness is going to be available for you in 28 European countries. Lyoness is giving you the possibility to buy and gratify your everyday needs in more efficient ways than you ever did before. Lyoness is giving you cash back after your purchases. There is no such product that you could not get through the Lyoness system. You can shop for groceries, clothing, gas, cars, or furniture. Before taking a look at the benefits from the shopping with Lyoness, let's see how you can shop with the Lyoness system at the moment. Lyoness offers two different ways of taking advantage of the Lyoness money back with your every purchase. The first possibility is that we pay back and refund according to the invoice. You can pay with the product partners, shopping vouchers, and those that you can order from the Lyoness office. The other possibility is to apply for a cash back card, which is accepted at many places. Most of our product partners decided for the usage on the cash back cards because it makes it easier to use the system. Our goal is to switch into the card as soon as possible. Let's see an example. In the case when you get a product at 10% discount, then a 1% stays with Lyoness and 9% goes to you. From this, you get a 1% instant reimbursement. 0.5% of your friends purchasing this amount will be credited to you, and then 0.5% after your friends' purchases as well. The remaining price gap in this example is 7%, which can be even more. We will get into this Lyoness score account. And this is where it becomes interesting. As soon as you collect the 150 euros from the price gap, then you get a position. There are two positions following each position. Your additional price gap, which is marked with 2002 on the figure, and the price gaps of your friends who join Lyoness in your recommendation will get behind your position. As soon as you reach 30 positions on the left and right side of your first position, you get an 850 euro purchase reimbursement. In the case that you have 4 direct friends who already have a position, you get 396 euro commission. In the case that you do not have 4 directs, Lyoness guarantees you a deferred payment as soon as you get the 4th direct friend. The discounts can be divided into 3 parts. You already know the first, 1% instant reimbursement. The second part is the 0.5 direct-indirect friendship bonus, which we have just showed you now. This comes up altogether for 2%. The partner's company discounts can be even 26. So the rest of the discount gets into your personal price gap storage. Let's see what the position covers. You may not have the question whether you get your 150 euro cash back coupons. The answer is no. Or you can get the 150 in cash? No. The figure you could see from that 150 euro price gap is going to be 1,246 euros. You have even more possibilities. You go shopping, and from the money that you spent, you reach 150 euro price gap. And after the 30-30 stand, you will receive 1,246 euros. Now you are probably asking, when? This is up to you. But it is very important that there is no time limit. I will offer you even a faster possibility. You can make a gap in advance payment for a future product. This deposit is the future that product's price gap. From now on, it is assured that you and your direct positions can only get behind your positions that will make the 30-30 stand faster. You can get 1,246 euros and you can spend it. If meanwhile you decide to buy the wanted product, then you can make up the amount of the product's price, for example 850 euros. And so, thus, you can buy the 1,000 euro product at a 15% partner. Despite this, your position still exists, and after the 30-30 stands, you will get the 1,246 euros. This way you can make the risk-free business. Let's see what happens if you buy your positions in advance, and how much money you would be able to make. Lyoness has 5 economic classes. In each class there are different valued positions. So far we are talking about the second economic class. The first class are the positions that are worth 50 euro, and the second is 150 euro. The third, 400 euro, the fourth, 1,200 euros, and the fifth economic class, 4,000 euros is needed for a position. These positions have a different rate in return. The reimbursement of the first economic class is €450 and the second €850. In the third, €1,600, and it is important that in the class it is enough to have just 25 positions on each side. One position does not equal one person because everybody can have as many positions as he or she wants. You can manage €4,800 in the fourth economic round, €16,000 in the fifth. Alongside this money, you can get already mentioned additional commissions. Nowadays, to start your own business would cost you a couple €10,000, and the result is unsure. There is no uncertainty at Lyoness. From now on, you decide how extended businesses would like to be built. If you would like to present in each economic class, it is possible to start with 7 positions in the first economic class, 3 positions in the second economic class, 3 positions in the third economic class, and 1 position in the fourth and fifth economic class. This would cost you €7,200, and the commissions would be €54,532, and that is to say, the minimum return you can make. In the case you cannot afford to start off with such a big amount of money, you can be present in the fourth economic class for €3,200. For this amount, you can make €25,332 in return. Let's see another possibility. In the case you would like to be present in the first 3 economic classes, I can recommend the 7-3-3 start, with which you can manage €16,572. With this possibility, just like the one mentioned above, you can benefit quite a lot, since you would be able to profit from 11 different sites. Among your friends, there might be someone who cannot afford the €2,000 start, but they would still want to make a lot of money. That is why we should ask, what would be the sum of money they would each like to set apart for this purpose? If he or she has €1,000, he or she could make €8,400 in return. With the €700 start, around €6,000 comes back. From a business viewpoint, I would recommend the optimal start. 7 positions in the first economic class, and 3 to 3 positions in the second and third economic classes. This means that you get €2,000 deposit for you. This comes to a 7 by 582, plus a 3 by 1,246, plus a 3 times €2,920 commission for you, which adds up to €16,572. With this optimal start, you can expect incomings from 3 economic classes, and you will become a member of the business team, which provides you additional advantages. You immediately get to the Lyoness first career level, which is another return source. You have a significant role in helping your business partners to learn and use the system successfully. The Lyoness will compensate you and yours by giving you the 18.75% of the system commissions of those recommended to you. Alongside this, you additionally get 6.25% of the system commissions from your indirect customers. You can achieve this by working on your business. The terms and conditions and help is given or provided by Lyoness. The decision is yours and yours to make yourself. Look up your sponsor and ask for help with the registration. After the registration, you will get Lyoness's welcome package, which includes the cash back card, lots of useful information and possibilities concerning your career building. I hope it was well worth listening to me, and I wish you good luck. Thank you.